Welcome to Elderly Care and Advice Channel. Death is a natural part of life, but when it comes to our elderly loved ones, knowing when the end is near can be an emotional and challenging experience. Have you ever wondered how doctors and caregivers recognize the final stages of life? Understanding the signs that indicate a person may be nearing death can help families prepare emotionally, provide comfort, and ensure their loved ones receive the best possible care. In this video, we will explore 7 key signs that suggest an elderly person may be approaching the end of their journey, with expert insights from Dr. Donald Paul. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the age-old lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. If you like this video, please comment yes. If you don't like it, comment no to let me know so I can make a better video for you. Now, let's get started. 1. Significant decrease in appetite and thirst. One of the earliest and most noticeable signs that an elderly person may be approaching the end of their life is a drastic reduction in their appetite and thirst. The body naturally begins to slow down as it prepares for the final stages, and the need for energy diminishes. As a result, the person may start refusing food, eating only small bites, or showing no interest in meals they once enjoyed. According to Dr. Donald Paul, a medical expert with 29 years of experience, this change is a natural part of the body shutting down. When a person is nearing the end of life, their digestive system gradually stops functioning efficiently. The body no longer requires as many calories, and the sensation of hunger fades away. Caregivers and family members often find this stage distressing because they associate eating with strength and survival. However, forcing food or fluids can cause discomfort, leading to choking, nausea, or digestive issues. Instead of insisting that the person eat, it's best to offer small sips of water, ice chips, or moist swabs to keep their mouth hydrated and comfortable. This change in eating and drinking habits is usually accompanied by weight loss and muscle weakness, making movement more difficult. As the body conserves energy for essential functions, focusing on comfort rather than nutrition becomes the priority. Families should seek guidance from hospice professionals or doctors to ensure their loved one remains as comfortable as possible during this time. 2. Extreme fatigue and increased sleeping. As an elderly person nears the end of life, they often experience extreme fatigue and spend most of their time sleeping. This profound exhaustion is a result of the body gradually shutting down, conserving the little energy it has left for essential functions like breathing and circulation. It's common for a person in their final days or weeks to sleep for long periods, sometimes up to 20 hours a day, waking only for short moments before drifting back into sleep. Dr. Donald Paul, a medical expert with 29 years of experience, explains, "The body recognizes that it no longer needs to stay active for survival, so energy is redirected toward keeping vital organs functioning. This causes the person to feel constantly drowsy and weak." Caregivers and family members may notice that their loved one becomes less responsive, takes longer to wake up, or seems confused when they do. It's important to remember that this change is not something that should be forced or fought. Trying to wake them up frequently or pushing them to engage in activities can cause distress and discomfort. Instead, providing a calm, peaceful environment with minimal disturbances can help them rest more comfortably. Even though the person may sleep for extended periods, they can still hear and feel the presence of loved ones. Holding their hand, speaking softly, or playing soothing music can provide emotional comfort. Ensuring their bedding is clean and their position is adjusted regularly can also help prevent discomfort and bed sores. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. 3. Noticeable changes in breathing patterns. One of the most significant signs that an elderly person may be nearing the end of life is a change in their breathing patterns. As the body weakens and vital functions slow down, breathing can become irregular, shallow, or labored. These changes may happen gradually or suddenly, and they can be distressing for family members who are not prepared for them. Dr. Donald Paul, a medical expert with 29 years of experience, explains, "In the final days or hours, it's common for a person to experience periods of rapid breathing followed by long pauses, known as Cheyne-Stokes respiration. This pattern occurs because the brain's ability to regulate breathing becomes less efficient. Some individuals may develop noisy or rattling breathing due to a buildup of mucus in the throat. This sound, often called the death rattle, can be alarming, but it does not necessarily mean the person is in pain. Since they may not have the strength to clear their throat, caregivers can help by repositioning them, using a humidifier, or providing gentle suction if recommended by a healthcare provider. In some cases, a person may take deep sighs or gasp for air as their breathing slows. During this stage, the most important thing loved ones can do is provide a comforting presence. Holding their hand, speaking soothing words, and maintaining a peaceful environment can help ease any distress. Medical professionals can also provide guidance on managing discomfort and ensuring dignity in their final moments. 4. Drastic changes in body temperature and skin color. As an elderly person nears the end of life, their circulation begins to slow down. The body prioritizes sending blood to vital organs like the heart and brain while reducing blood flow to the hands, feet, and skin. As a result, noticeable changes in body temperature and skin color occur, signaling that death may be approaching. Dr. Donald Paul, a medical expert with 29 years of experience, explains, "In the final days or hours, a person's extremities may feel cold to the touch due to decreased blood circulation. Their skin might also appear pale, bluish, or mottled, especially on the hands, feet, and knees. These changes can be alarming for family members, but they are a natural part of the body's shutting down process. The person may also have difficulty regulating their body temperature, experiencing sudden chills or sweating excessively. A fluctuating body temperature does not necessarily mean they are uncomfortable, but caregivers should ensure they remain warm and comfortable. Light blankets can help keep them cozy without overheating. Mottling, a blotchy, purplish discoloration of the skin, is another common sign that circulation is slowing down. It usually begins on the legs and spreads upwards as the body weakens. This is often one of the final signs before passing. During this stage, offering reassurance, maintaining a peaceful environment, and keeping the person comfortable is the best approach. Gentle touch and soothing words can provide a sense of peace in their final moments. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment "yes" below to let me know you're here. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. 5. Mental confusion and withdrawal from the world. As an elderly person nears the end of life, they often experience significant changes in their mental state. Confusion, disorientation, and withdrawal from their surroundings are common signs that the body and brain are slowing down. This can be difficult for loved ones to witness, but understanding why it happens can help ease concerns. Dr. Donald Paul, a medical expert with 29 years of experience, explains, "As oxygen levels drop and organ function declines, the brain receives less blood flow. This can cause confusion, hallucinations, difficulty recognizing loved ones, or even conversations with people who have already passed. Some elderly individuals may appear lost in thought, struggle to remember recent events, or mix up names and faces. Others might become restless, mumbling, picking at their clothes, or seeing things that aren't there. These hallucinations are usually not distressing to the person experiencing them, and in many cases, they report seeing deceased family members or peaceful visions. In addition to confusion, many elderly individuals begin to withdraw from the world. They may lose interest in conversations, stop responding to questions, or prefer to be left alone. This detachment is a natural process as the body prepares for the end. Family members should focus on providing reassurance rather than trying to correct or reorient the person. Speaking softly, holding their hand, and offering comforting words can help them feel safe and loved. Even if they don't respond, they can still feel the presence of those around them. Conclusion: watching a loved one approach the end of life is never easy. It can be an emotional and overwhelming experience, especially when you don't know what to expect. However, understanding the signs that indicate a person is nearing death can help families prepare both emotionally and practically. Recognizing changes in appetite, extreme fatigue, irregular breathing, body temperature fluctuations, and mental confusion allows caregivers to focus on providing comfort and dignity during a person's final days. Dr. Donald Paul, a medical expert with 29 years of experience, emphasizes, "The dying process is a natural transition, and while it can be difficult for families, ensuring that the person is at peace, free of pain, and surrounded by love is the most important thing." Instead of fearing these signs, Families should use them as a guide to offer the best care possible. It's important to remember that even if an elderly person becomes less responsive, they can still feel the warmth and presence of loved ones. Simple gestures like holding their hand, speaking softly, or playing their favorite music can provide great comfort in their final moments. While saying goodbye is never easy, knowing that they are leaving peacefully and with love can bring solace to those left behind. If you or someone you know is going through this difficult time, seeking guidance from hospice professionals, doctors, or support groups can provide valuable assistance in navigating the journey with care and understanding. Please drop a comment below this video with one thing you've taken away from this and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. This action might be of help for someone else around you. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips to help you stay strong and savvy. Take care of yourself. You're created to live long, stay healthy, and enjoy life. Thanks for watching.